Allegations have surfaced pointing to a major bribery scheme between medical providers and spinal surgeons. What we uncovered is potentially criminal.
This consulting package is worth $300,000 to $500,000 a year.
You know how this works. You lie to people in pain to make a buck. And I give you tropical vacations and pleasure cruises to make it worth your while.
Your fusion technique is looking very good. You stay focused and disciplined, you'll go a long way in this business.
And I'd like to thank my friends Bruce and Rhett at Globazon for helping to develop these exceptional products.
I wonder how much that fucker makes from those implant companies.
You think he's on the take?
You know he is.
We need every one of our residents to be loyal to the program and loyal to the Globazon brand.
There's a new aspiring neuro at SD University Hospital. I want you to move in and land him.
And how far do you want me to go?
Whatever it takes.
You have lumbar degenerative disc disease. Spinal fusion is the only option.
Lately, I've noticed the hospital seems to be doing way too many surgeries. Like we're doing it just for the money, not because it's 100% the right call for the patient.
Your little prodigy's become obsessed with some sort of alternative laser treatment.
It's better for the patients.
For your own fucking good, drop it.
I feel like they're all pushing me to do what's best for them, not necessarily what's best for me.
Why can't anyone just do the right thing?
We do not need some morally virtuous renegade poking around.
This could become a complete shit show.
What about our pledge to the industry?
What about the welfare of our patients? What about our own moral code?
And if he doesn't listen, then cut him loose.
Hey, remember when that douchebag Dr. Bob used to be an idealist? Now he's just a capitalist.
Capitalists like money.
Yes, they do.